A very pleasant morning, students. Welcome to Social Science online class. Listen the class carefully. Don't skip the class. Class 6th, subject Social Science, session 26. Topic: The hidden treasures of the Indus civilization. Dear students, last class you have learned about drainage system. Today we are going to discuss about the hidden treasures of the Indus civilization. Before enter into the topic, let's see a small question session. Students, note down the questions. First questions: what kind of stone was used by Indus people to design jewelry? I repeat the question. What kind of stone was used by Indus people to design jewelry? Answer is red quartz stone called carnelian was used by Indus people to design jewelry. Second question: what was the first metal discovered by humans? I repeat the question. What was the first metal discovered by humans? Answer is copper was the first metal discovered by humans. Third question: who developed the earliest form of writing? I repeat the question. Who developed the earliest form of writing? Answer is Sumerian developed the earliest form of writing. Okay students, let's move on to the topic. Inscription. Inscription can provide use information about customs, practice and other aspect of any place or time. We must look for the other clue to know about the Indus people and their lifestyle. Apparels. Cotton fabrics were on common use. Clay spindles unearthed suggest that yarn was spun. Wool was also used. Love and peace. Settlements were built on the gained platforms and elevate the grounds. The Indus civilization seems to have been a peaceful one. Few weapons were founded and there is no evidence of an army. They displayed the status with garments and precious jewelry. They had an advanced civic sense. Ornaments. Ornaments were popular among men and women. They adorned themselves with necklaces, armlets and bangles, finger rings, ear stud and angles. The ornaments were made of gold, silver, shell, copper, terracotta and precious stones. Iron was unknown to people of Indus. Who owned them? The historians believe that there existed a central authority that controlled planning of towns and oversees a trade maintenance of drainage. Let's know about the occupation. The main occupation of the Indus people is not known. However, agriculture, handicrafts and pottery making. They were merchants and traders and artisans. Rearing of cattle was another occupation. People know how to use the potter's wheel. They reared domestic animals. Pottery. Pottery was practiced using the potter's wheel. It was well fried. Pottery were red in red color and beautiful design in black. The broken pieces of pottery have animal figures and a geometric design on it. Religious belief. We don't have evidence pointing to specific delices or the religion's practice. There might have been worship of mother goddess, which is concluded based upon the excavation of several female figures. Toys culture. Toys like cats, cows with movable heads and limbs, clay balls and tiny dolls, a small clay monkey. Terracotta squirrels eating a nut, clay, dogs, and a male dancer have been found. What happened to Harappans? By 1900 BCE, the Harappan culture had started decline. It was assumed that the civilization met with repeated floods, ecological changes, invasions, natural calamities, climate changes, deforestation, and epidemic. General fact about the Indus civilization. Facts about the Indus civilization. It is among the oldest in the world and also the largest among four ancient civilizations. Okay, students, I hope you understand the hidden treasure of Indus civilization. Today's homework: who built the Great Pyramid of Giza? I repeat the question: who built the Great Pyramid of Giza? Second question: who built Abu Simbel site? Who built Abu Simbel site? Third question: which is the oldest civilization? I repeat the question: which is the oldest civilization? Okay, students, thank you.